Yes, yes. Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to talk about the Pandora Box number 6, the Iron Man and Captain America edition. But before we going to check out the Pandora Box itself, let's check out what comes inside the package. I already pulled it out of the box and I'm going to check it out with you guys. What are we going to get? First of all, it comes with a basic medal and it's from the Pandora Box number 5, so totally useless. We have here a USB cable, so we can connect it to your PC and just use it like a arcade stick or fight stick. A little bit cable nightmare here. It comes with a very long, high quality HDMI cable. A VGA cable, because you can just use it on an old school monitor. And it got an internal speaker, so yes, we can use it this way. And I see we got here a piece of paper, and the reason why they are just giving us this is very simple. If you're lucky, they give you this little awesome USB stick, very tiny, with 16 gigabyte. Keep in mind, you need to have a 60 gigabyte version, but there are no ROMs or games included, so you need to download them from the 3A game store or the link. And for final, we got ourselves a power adapter, and this is a 12 volt 3 amp adapter, same like every Pandora key box. And of course the European plug for me. So that concludes a little bit what comes inside this box, and let's take a close look at the stick itself. Oh crap, I totally forgot. It comes with 2 extra buttons. Alright people, what are we going to get with the Pandora Box number 5? I will just call them the Iron Man edition. Yeah, we got Captain America, we got Spider-Man. I must say they did a really nice job with putting the stick here and that layout of the sticker. That is a job well done, I must say. I really love this layout version. Yeah, they did some improvements. We got here the pause, exit and other extra buttons, really nice. And yeah, that they changed this decal to Pandora Box arcade stick, that is really a big plus, because the old version got Pandora Box 5. And it's a little bit shame if you have a Pandora Box 5 and you want to stick in a Pandora Box 6. Yeah, personally I can't live with it. Alright, let's take a close look at the Pandora Box arcade stick. I'm going to let you hear how is the quality of the stick. What you can hear, it's clickish like it should be. It's not that loose like a wiggle stick. And now the buttons. And they improved it. I can tell you, it's improved over the older version. So, it's way better than Pandora Box number 5. And this is something you're only going to find on the Pandora Box from 3A Games. The little buttons here at the top. This is my favorite one, pause and exit. They can easily ask for the menu to come online and exit the game. Very easy, or just pause the game. Also very handy. Yeah, the home select. These are the functions that you're going to need when plugging it in your PlayStation 3 as an arcade stick or a fight stick. And the start button, that is here. So what makes this 3E games arcade sticks extra unique? Very simple. Not the blue coin button, no. The power button, we can find it on the top of the fight stick, and that is pretty damn unique. Because I have never seen this before. The Pandora key and other versions only have a power switch at the back. I think it's really cool.
Round 1. Fight! Fight. Get over here! Fight.
Alright, for the final conclusion out of Pandora Box 6 from 3E Games. Yep, my opinion is this is one of the best sticks you can get for your money. It got some really nice features, like example, you can now add your games, including preview video if you want. You can remove the old files if you're not satisfied with it, or just swap out the video if you don't like it. And yeah, the games are running fine on the system. And the freedom of just adding your games is something that I really missed out on Pandora Box number 5. Yeah, the stick is nice. They did improve the stick. They improved the buttons, and yeah, there is nothing to complain about. It's a plug and play product, so it's a really quality product. So if you want to have something for a long time, I think this is something you really can buy. And don't forget, if they're coming out a new Pandora Box, you can just easily swap them out if you buy the 3E original Pandora Box. So that is an extra positive side to this product. So there are a lot of things that, is awesome about it. The categorized system is good. That you can search alphabetic order is just great. So yeah, let me know what you think of the product. I'd really love to know. Do you have one, or you're considering getting one? Leave it in the comments. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell because you get notified for upcoming videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.
Fight!